Let's get down to the real. I don't know nothing about this shit. So, YouTube how-tos. As you can see, the first thing I looked up was YouTube how-to. I just wanted my videos to look a little more professional, but still have the ratchetness that I have inside of me. And don't act like you're not ratchet. So again, I don't know how to do this shit. What do I need to do first? Honestly, I just wish I had a teacher literally right in front of me teaching me step by step on how to get my YouTube videos popping. Now, the first thing I know that I want is a YouTube intro. That's the first thing I want. So now that I know the first thing that I want is a YouTube intro, what I'm going to do is find someone to make me an intro because I'm not doing that. So where do I go to find an intro? When I was doing my research, what I saw was Fiverr. I saw Fiverr everywhere. So I was like, oh. So here is Fiverr. Ooh, what's this? Okay, next. I don't know honestly what I really want for my video to look like. Ooh, I like the colors here. Ooh. I like that one. That was nice, but no. This seems like a cheesy intro. I gotta go like. No, that one was really dope, but I'm not on a TV show. So no. Unique. I'm unique. No disrespect and no shade to anyone. I want it to be, I don't know, personal a little bit. Not like it's tailored to everyone. No, this color right here already looks poppin'. It gives me very, what was that movie? Tron Legacy. This is giving me Tron Legacy. Okay, so the way that video ended is the way I'm gonna walk away from it. Silent. Now this one I fuck with. I like this. Not that one. Alright. I like that one. This is fire, so I'm gonna keep this person here. I think it's also, I don't know what I want. But maybe me looking at all these different things will give me an idea of what I want. I'm creative. No, that gave me Five Below commercial, Target back to school. No. What's next? Respectfully.
Never just make this pain. Take these shoes, let's or you love it through my face.
Not for me, but I like it. Alright. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Can I set a price point? Budget. Professional. Are you?
Hello, and welcome to my bestseller gig. I am a professional motion graphic designer with more than 5 years experience, and I am a best rated seller here on Fiverr.
So I found the person that I want to go with on Fiverr. So let's go ahead with the process and hopefully they can do it. And hopefully I like it. Okay, here we are. Thank you for your purchase. Okay, so the seller needs the following information to start working on your order. All right, so I'm gonna do this process and I'll come back when I have a finished product.
3 days later.
So you guys, this is the person I chose to do my intro, and they did an amazing job conveying what I asked of them. We had back and forth. They answered everything. They did everything that I asked, and I'm so happy. So I want to show you guys the finished product. So there you have it, guys. There's my YouTube intro. I hope you guys like it. Put it in the comments if you do. Tell me what you think, and I will see